Have you forgotten the password of your Remitly account and are having difficulty in resetting it? If that's the case, then don't worry, I've got you covered. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of your Remitly account. So, let's get started. First of all, open the app Remitly. After that, tap on the option Sign In. Now, you'll be able to see an option Forgot Password. Tap on it. To reset your password, you first have to enter the email address associated with your account. So enter your email address and then Remitly will send you an email which will allow you to reset your password. So enter your email address and then tap on Next. Then follow the further instructions provided, and finally you'll be able to reset the password of your Remitly account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.